I'm going to show you exactly how to build a high converting portfolio website in 2025, even if you have zero experience and zero clients yet. By the end of this tutorial, you will know how to structure your portfolio, what sections you must include, and how to design each part to impress clients instantly. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. The first part people see when they open a website is what we call the hero, which sets the tone for your entire portfolio. Your hero should include a strong headline that clearly states what you do, a short sub-description that highlights your value, and a clear call to action button. Think of this section as your first handshake. It should be clean, confident, and instantly clear. Now, this next part is where most beginners make a mistake. The following section after the hero should always be focused on your client. Imagine your portfolio as a shopping website. People want to see what you offer right away. So right after the hero, add a services section. Keep it simple but powerful. Show the main things you do, such as branding, social media design, website graphics, or any other creative service. Each service should have a short explanation so clients instantly understand how you can help them. After you establish your services, it is time to build trust. Scroll down and add a testimonials section. If you are just starting, you can offer a few projects for free in exchange for honest reviews. These give your portfolio authenticity and help you stand out even without years of experience. Once trust is established, the next section you need is your pricing. This can include your hourly rate, your starting rate per project, or complete packages to give clients more options. Clear pricing helps clients understand what to expect and makes the decision process easier for them. Now scroll down to your About Me section. This is where you introduce yourself, share your skills, and list the tools you use. Keep it friendly and professional. Clients want to know the person behind the work. After that, showcase your strongest portfolio projects. Choose the best designs you have created so far and display them in a clean grid. This visually proves your skill and helps clients imagine working with you. Finally, do not forget to add your contact section at the very bottom. This should include your email, your social links, or a contact form so clients can reach you easily. A visible contact area removes friction and increases your chance of getting hired. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to structure a high-converting portfolio website that can help you land your first client, even if you are starting from scratch. Keep refining your layout, keep updating your projects, and click the next video to learn how to build the complete website using Canva.